So what's up? We're here at NicNic FlowerShop, Dora sa Cathedral, and you know why I'm here. It's the love month, and ako diri sa akong suki karon. Ma'am, suki lagi ko nimo pero wadyo kailan nimo ba?
Good evening.
Good evening, dito ta ma'am kay mahayagan ka. Sige, ito pangalan na to ma'am.
NicNic.
Si Ma'am NicNic. So your shop is named after you, NicNic Shop.
Yes.
How many years nag-operate na ka nga business, ma'am?
48 years.
48 years. Pero ikaw 48 years old or ang business?
I'm business.
Pila edad mo di ay?
62.
So you've been doing this all your life?
Yeah.
How did you get involved with flowers?
One. My mother is business niya sa flowers.
Flowers good. And napasa sa imuha. And now I think ginahinina na yung pasa sa yung anak. So this is a family business then. I know it's February. Obviously, last 2 months ago ni hapit ko di barato di yung flowers, and when I came back karon, marami sa nagdoble. So how much would a regular bouquet cost right now? If pila ka high budget nga dapat i-prepare niya? How much is the budget right now if someone is to buy bouquets?
Now for Valentines Day?
Yep.
1,000, 1,500. If
Ooh, love is expensive.
yeah, because flowers is love. Sign of love.
Sign of love. And diba, if you want to really show your affection,
Yeah.
it wouldn't matter how much, diba?
Yeah.
Pero most kids are on a budget. So sa mga batanon ma'am who are coming here kanang dili pa kayo hanas umupalit og mga flowers, like, so they should come here expecting around 1,000 to 1,500.
No. For the
Ang mga batanon ma'am ba?
mga batanon, we have 100, 150.
So what kind of bouquet is that? Kanang
Like
pakitaan
this
mi ma'am.
one. Like this one.
So muni siya ang flowers
150.
sa Valentines Day.
Yeah.
Wow. And originally pila gid ang presyo ani if it's na dili season.
This season, 20 pesos.
Wow, guys. But the thing is, dili gi ka pwede mag-stock of flowers kay malaya man gid siya.
Malaya man.
Not unless if you plant the flowers yourself. Diba? So, what, like, compare this business, have you had any other endeavors like gani business or kanira gid flower
Ano
shop?
yun eh?
Wow. So, you have stuck with this, and do you think sustainable ni siya ma'am ang flower business?
Yes.
No? Wagid mo na zero sukad ma'am. Wagi
Wala.
adlaw nga way zero.
Wala.
And
Even this there is pandemic.
naagya po mo
COVID
palit.
na agad.
Like, I'm very curious about that with this COVID, this pandemic na nagkakahitabo. Naagya po mo palit, pero unsa nana mo sa Grab na mo online? Can people order online or
Wala mi online.
dire gyud?
Dili na good.
Do you think ma'am nga kung makita ni sa mga tao ang picture online muhalin or mas namindot gito mo ani sila?
Mas maayo gyud sila mo anhi aron makita gyud nila ang kaprisko sa bulak kung kuan kay kung online picture lang man pag actual na din laya.
Exactly, di ba? So, ang expectation pa lang daan ba? Different lagi pag pictures, no? So far, ma'am, ano na yung na-learn ani so far nga having to have this business and giving people supplying people with flowers para mas nindot na ilang mga date, ilang mga adlaw. Like, what have you learned so far with this business?
At akong side, you gain more friends. Number 1, you can gain more friends.
You've gained my friendship. Okay, secret na to na nag-friends ko ta. And usa na lang ma'am before tamubuyan ma'am, unsa may special message nimo sa mga tao especially for February 14?
Ako mensahe sa ilaha, kinahanglan gyud sila maghatag gyud sila bulak. Kaya ang bulak, this is a sign of love.
Sign of love. Like, for all your flower needs, floral, tanan-tanan, even if it's not the month of February, if it's not the February 14, you can come here anytime. Diri sa Cathedral. Actually, there are tons of shops to choose from. Natimingan lang gid si Ma'am NicNic ako ang gi-interview kay siya ra po'y down nga mosugot og interview so far. And if you guys want, come visit this vibrant colorful shop, flower shop, NicNic FlowerShop. And we out. Happy Valentines everyone. Salamat kayo.